Alrighty, we're here at Superior Hobbies today. Gonna check out this new Team Losi XXL LST2. It's a new gas-powered, that is gasoline-powered monster truck. Super awesome, super runtime. Big tank. I think the thing probably runs like a half hour. Not sure about that, but I can never finish a tank. It runs so long. So let's start it up. Let's check it out. Got a couple little features here. Got this AVC system, which you have to turn the truck on level ground and don't move it in order for it to set properly. And when it is set properly, you can see it working. And you can also turn it off to where it's deactivated when it's normal. So this thing has electronic ignition, which helps to keep it running. It also has a 2-speed transmission. Incredible brake. Hitting second gear there. Super fast, like I said. Super easy to use. Probably the best thing ever. Idles like a champion due to the ignition system. And you turn it off, you just turn the on and off switch. Shuts the engine right off and the truck off. Turn your radio off, there you go. That's a quickie. Alrighty. Order one today on SuperiorHobbies.com and we'll ship it out today. UPS, buy 3. Have it Monday.